Subscription expenses. Subscription expense covers library materials like magazines, periodicals, journals, online databases, and publications essential for project research and data analysis. The process starts with a PPMP specifying subscription item, ABC procurement mode, and timeline, followed by line item budget, highlighting the subscription expense with funding source. Submit purchase request referencing the PPMP line item, then secure contract or agreement detailing subscription terms, duration, access details, and payment schedule. For payment, provide official receipt with billing statement as BIR compliant proof covering the subscription period. Subscription expenses process flow. Subscription expense procurement through Argao begins when research staff compiles the complete document package, PPMP specifying the subscription item, ABC, procurement mode, and timeline. Line item budget with highlighted subscription expense and funding source. Purchase request referencing the PPMP line item. Contract or agreement detailing subscription terms, duration, access details, and payment schedule plus official receipt with BIR compliant billing statement covering the subscription period. Staff then submits the full package to Argao via email, Google Drive, internal routing slip, and physical hard copies. Argao conducts pre-audit verification, checking document completeness, budget coding compliance with PPMP or line item budget, contract billing alignment, and all required signatures. Upon approval, Argo prepares the disbursement voucher with proper account codes and obligated amount, routing it to the accounting office for final payment processing through check, ADA, or PESONet within the standard processing timeline.